Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video I'm going to show you the configurations and settings of the tags plugin from RedmineUP. Alright, so there are two available tabs, General and Manage Tags. Before that, just to say how to go here, you have to go to Administration, that is located onto the top right corner, and then scroll down. The first way is to click on Tags here, and the second way is to click on Plugins and then Tags, and then Configure. Okay, so the first option is display tags on sidebar as. There are three options. It is very detailed explained into the video demonstration that is above the current one in the guide. So please just scroll up the guide and play the previous video. So it explains very detailed this feature. Okay. So the second one is display amount of issues. When you go to issues list and see the tags that are onto the right side corner, you see that they do not have number of tags now. But if we enable this feature and then refresh our page, we see that the tags are now numbered. So this means that into the issues, 5 of them have tag agile, 2 of them have backend, 1 beta, 2 charts, etc. Okay. So this option is display open issues only. So we apply this feature and again refresh our page. So we see that the beta tag has just disappeared. This means that it is into a closed issue. All these tags now are appearing in open issues that are in progress, new, etc. Okay. So the next feature is sort tags by name ascending. So this means that they are alphabetically ordered, so it is agile backend charts A, B, C. Okay, if we click on descending, then it will be backwards alphabetically. So we refresh and we see that agile is into the bottom now, backend here, charts, etc. Alright, the other option is issue amount. Okay, let's keep it descending. So we see now that 552221. Alright, so we make it to be ascending. And it is reversed 122255. Alright, the other option is suggestion order. It is now selected to be by name. So this means that when you open some issue or create a new one and try to add tags, then when you just hover the mouse here and click, then a drop-down menu with the tags is going to appear. By now it is set to be suggestion order name, so they are ordered by name. It is A, B, C, D. Okay, so let's try to change and see. When we make it to be last created, then the tags are appearing by last created criteria. So this conference tag was created very lately. So this was previous in time, this was more older, this was older, etc. Alright, and the last one is most used. So let's see on our demo server which tag is mostly used. It is the agile tag, then it is the front end, then back end and user interface. But on the top it is the agile, it is the most used tag. Of course, just to say that you could anytime search for tags, because it is actually a feature of the tags plugin. So you could search for Agile and it will appear only the Agile tags. Alright, so the last option here is use colors. Alright, so if we disable this feature, let's see what is going to happen. We see that the tags are not colored, they are just appearing as a text. Of course they are clickable, so when you click it will sort the issues, it will filter the issues by this tag. However, they are a bit let's say colorless. I prefer to be colored. Of course it is up to you, it's up to every person. However, personally I prefer to be with colors. So let's return back the colors. Okay, they're now colored again. Okay, so just to mention that about the first option that I said earlier, display tags on sidebar. Actually, if you are watching this on YouTube and you haven't opened the article and you do not know how to open the article with the other videos, and I'm going to show you how to do it. You have to go to our site, that is RedmineUP.com, and here into the help and support section you have to search for tags, and the article name is the main features of tags plugin. Okay, so there are three sections here. The first video is this, and the video that I was talking about, it is about this feature, display tags on sidebar. This is the video that detailed explains how to use this feature, three-way view of the tags. So please just watch it and you will know how this will work. And the third video that we are currently recording is about these settings. Okay, so let's continue. We have to talk about now about the Manage Tags tab. Alright, very important thing here is that unfortunately you cannot change the color of the tag by now. It is randomly selected when you create a new tag. So when you create a charts tag, it randomly says it is to be purple, and when you create support tag, it is randomly selected to be dark blue. Alright, so Manage Tags feature is about editing the name. So you just click here and say Agile tag, and it is now renamed as Agile tag. Okay, we rename backend to be backend tag 2, and it is renamed. Alright, other thing that you could do is to, of course, delete the tags. So you could multiple delete them, or you could delete them single time, one by one. For example, this one we deleted. Alright, so these are the options here: editing the name and deleting the tag. And just for information, if you would like to know how to create a tag, then you have to return back to this article and watch the first video. It is simple, easy, fast video demonstration. This is going to teach you how to create tags. Alright, so this was the video about the configuration of the tags plugin from RedmineUP. Thank you very much for watching this, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP on redmineup.com. Bye bye for now.